Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening. On the application of DuckDuckGo, you will go to settings. In this list you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about DuckDuckGo and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.